I am Enrico Dacanay, and I'm here to give you a walkthrough on how to use Google Classroom for your online classes. Before you begin, make sure to log out all your active Gmail accounts from your web browser. Just go to gmail.com, click on your profile, and select Sign out of all accounts. If you have no active login, then you're good to go. By now, you should have your own Dimsu email account. If you don't have one yet, please contact our MIS department. So, let's get started. First, in your web browser, type classroom.google.com and press enter. Then, click Go to Classroom. Type your username and click Next. Then type your password and click Next. You will then see two options to choose from. Choose I'm a student. Then click Get Started. You will now see the homepage of the Google Classroom. At the top right corner of the homepage, you will see a plus symbol. Click on it, then select Join Class. Enter the class code provided by your teacher and click Join. If you want to join another class, just do the same steps. Just make sure you get the right class codes from your teachers. To switch to another class, click Main menu located at the top left corner and select Classes. Then, click on the other class you want to get into. In a class, you can find three sections: the Stream page, the Classwork page, and the People page. In the Stream page, you can see the timeline of activities posted by your teacher, such as announcements, materials uploaded, and assignments created. They are arranged with the most recent ones at the top. At the left pane, you can also see the upcoming activities, such as the assignments that are due for submission. Next is the Classwork page. It is where all learning contents are posted and organized. These include instructional materials uploaded, important links shared, and assignments created. Usually, learning content are organized into sections called topics. You can see the topics at the left pane. That serves as the navigation area to quickly browse between topics. Inside Classwork, you will encounter three important icons. First is the icon representing the materials uploaded or shared. Second is the assignment icon representing the tasks posted by your teacher. Lastly is the question icon, where a teacher posts a question for discussion, survey, or other purposes. To view a material, click on the title, then click View Material. To view an assignment, click on the title, then click View Assignment. For assignments, you have to accomplish the tasks required by your teacher. Tasks may include something to work on, like a document or report, or a quiz to answer. Once finished, click Turn in or Hand in or mark as done. To join a discussion, click on the title of the question and click View Question. Type your response and click Submit. To check your own progress, just go back to the classwork page and click View Work. From there, you will see what else have you not accomplished. You can also see the summary of your scores and your overall grade. That's it. Isn't it so easy? If you have problems using Google Classroom, please contact your teacher or advisor. Thank you for watching. Good luck and keep safe.